Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA Insurance Secure Fix step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the official USAA website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Log On button at the top right corner. Click on the Log On button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Before proceeding, ensure both the user ID and password are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID/Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your information. After entering your credentials, click on the Log On button to access your account. If you are using a personal device, consider selecting the Remember My User ID option. This will save your user ID for easier access in the future. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Ensure that you are using the most recent version of your web browser. If the problem persists, try clearing your browser cache. This can often resolve login issues. Once logged in, you will have access to your USAA insurance account. Make sure to log out after your session to protect your information. If you need assistance during the login process, visit the USAA support page for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.